This guide will help you understand how to request payouts from Wells Fargo in a straightforward manner. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wells Fargo website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to the Payouts section. Once logged in, locate the Transfers and Payments tab. Click on it to find the option for requesting payouts. Step 3. Select the type of payout. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ISH or CON link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enter the required information. Fill in the necessary details for your payout request. This may include the amount, recipient information, and any additional notes required for processing. Step 5. Review and submit your request. Double-check all the information you have entered to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your payout request and keep an eye on your email or account notifications for confirmation. By following these steps, you can easily request payouts through Wells Fargo. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.